Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can use text templates on the CapCut app. So first you are going to press text, go to text template, and here there's a lot to choose from. These are the trending one. There is social media, title, Christmas time, subtitle, message, bubble, news, and this 2022 one. And I'm going to find one from trending, from trending, I think. Let's see which one I want. Or do I want one from social media? Let's see. I'm actually going to choose this one, and then, but I don't think there is an animation to that. You know what, I'm just going to choose this one, this cute butterfly one, and to change it I'm just going to press on the text, and I'm just going to write Taylor Swift, press the check mark button. And also, I'm just going to do that for all of the text and the one on top. Oops. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!